Hey chefs, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So for today we're making a lasagna. This is not your traditional lasagna. And if you like content like this, please don't hesitate to subscribe. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so first we have our ground beef, and then we have this bacon and cheddar sausage, and then we have these lasagna noodles, which these are the regular ones, and then these are the spinach ones. And then for the spices, I just have this spaghetti spice, and then I got some onion powder, some garlic powder, some basil, black pepper, Italian seasoning, fine herbs. We have our salt over here, and some sugar. And then we have, this is leftover tomato sauce that I have, so I'm going to put that inside as well. And then another tomato. This one is fine herbs, and this one is tomato and basil. And then we have our tomato paste. This is garlic. And then I just have this chicken stock. This is from concentrated, so it's thicker. And then I just have some water. And you guys, there's a little twist in this lasagna here. So I'm going to put some cold cuts that I had bought for sandwiches and that are leftovers. So I'm thinking I'll put them inside. And then we have one onion, one red bell pepper, and then some mozzarella cheese, cloves of garlic, one egg, ricotta. And I also want to put some bocconcini, which is kind of like fresh mozzarella, and then Swiss cheese. This is another one of the twists, which is going to give it a really, really good taste. Okay guys, so right now I put my olive oil inside the pot. This is a pretty big pot, and I have my fire at medium. And right now I'm going to cut onions. Okay guys, so I finished dicing my onion. If you guys are wondering where I was putting the garbage, I was actually putting everything in here. And I love this. I got it off of Amazon. Actually, no, I think I got it off of Wish. I don't remember. I have to check for you guys. But this is amazing. I know you could also have a garbage can on your counter. And I found this is really cool. And some people also put a bowl with a bag inside. So, you know, it keeps you from going back and forth to the garbage can. So yeah, so right now I'm just going to add my onion inside my oil. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the garlic, and then we'll go on from there. Okay guys, so I changed my cutting board, obviously because I'm putting meat. So I'm just going to take off the skin of the sausages, cut them up, and put them inside the pot. And after that, I'm going to put my ground beef. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna add my Italian sausage. Okay guys, I wanted to show you this tool that I got off of Amazon. It looks like this, and if you guys don't have it, you should get it. This tool is great. So all you have to do is you just go like that, and you twist it. So your minced meat and also the Italian sausage could break down. So I'm just going to continue doing this for a while, and then we're going to cut up our cold cuts. Okay guys, so I washed my knife, I washed my cutting board, and right now I'm just going to cut up the cold cuts. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my spices. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna add the concentrated broth. I'm just gonna shake it a little bit. Next I'm gonna add my tomato jars. Next, I'll add my tomato paste. Okay guys, so I added water in here just so I could clean the jars. You could add water or broth, whatever you'd like. I'm just gonna add some sugar, and I like to add quite a bit of sugar. This is optional, you don't have to. Okay guys, so we're gonna let this simmer, and then I'm probably gonna start on my ricotta filling. Okay guys, you could add also some water inside. What is it, Bella? You want to say hi to everyone? Say hi. Say, I'm Bella. I'm Bella, and all I want to do is eat treats all the time. Yeah. What's the matter? Okay guys, so I just added a little bit of water inside just so it doesn't become too thick before it actually finishes cooking. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna cut my bocconcini. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna do my ricotta. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add 1 egg in here, and we're also gonna add salt and pepper. Okay guys, so I set aside the ricotta, I set aside the cold cuts, and over here the bocconcini. So right now I'm just gonna cut up my Swiss cheese. I'm gonna grate it, and also my mozzarella cheese. The Swiss cheese I want to put like in between layers with the ricotta, and then the mozzarella we're gonna put it on top. Okay guys, so I want to show you what I got off of Amazon. I got these. They came in a pack of 3, and this is so your sauce doesn't splatter, and even when you fry things. And then my sauce was missing a little bit of salt inside, so I'm gonna put the cold cuts in, and then I'm gonna adjust the salt because this is salty. And I also have a tip for you guys. Your mozzarella cheese, before you grate it, put it in the freezer so it could be a little bit like frozen, so it's easier to grate it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put in the cold cuts. So I put water to boil, and I decided to put this pasta. Okay guys, so everything's ready. The sauce simmered for a few hours. I just actually closed it right now. And then we have the pasta here and all of our cheeses. So let's start doing our dish. Okay guys, so the lasagna is ready, so let's try it. Okay guys, so my daughter is tasting the lasagna. Let's see how much she gives it out of 5. I think she likes it.
I don't like it. I love it.
How much do you give it out of 5?
1,000.
Say bye. Okay guys, so I'm gonna taste it and see. I have a little piece for me. It's really good, guys. There's the ricotta inside, and then we have the cold cuts and the cheese. There's a lot of cheese. I love cheese, you guys. Yeah, this is really delicious. So I hope you guys try this and let me know. Let me know down in the comments or on Instagram if you try it. So thank you so much for watching.